Hi friends, my name is Purvi. So welcome in my channel, that is Spanish Made Easy by Purvi. In my previous video we have learnt about the irregular verbs, like what are irregular verbs, how to conjugate irregular verbs. In this video we will be learning about some common irregular verbs like that we use in Spanish in our everyday life, and that is very important in Spanish. So today our video is all about some common irregular verbs. So let's start with the video. So ser and estar both means to be. So ser is used when we talk about our nationality, when we talk about our work, our culture, we use ser, like when we are giving our own introduction. And estar is used when the location, the placement of the things, we use estar. Don't worry, the difference between the two will be shown in my upcoming videos. Tener means to have. So I have a dog. I use yo tengo un perro. You have a cat. Tú tienes un gato. Poder is can, like I can. Always remember, when you have already conjugated the first verb in a sentence, there is no need to conjugate the second verb. Yo puedo saber. Yes, I can know. Yo puedo aprender. Yes, I can learn. Querer is to want. Yo quiero un coche. I want a car. Hacer is to do or to make. Like when you are preparing for exam. So Spaniards use yo hago el examen. I am giving an exam. Yo hago el examen. Ir is to go. So when you are leaving for somewhere or you are going somewhere, you use the verb ir. Poner is to put. When you are putting something. Yo pongo la falda en el armario. I have put in the skirt in the almirah. Decir is to say. When you say something, yo digo. Yo digo. Tú dices. Tú dices español. Tú dices verdad. You are saying the truth. Ver is to look. When you are looking for something, you use ver. Yo veo el televisión. Yo veo en el ordenador. I am watching at the computer. Saber is to know. So when you know something, you reply, you say, I know. Like when I ask you a question, ¿Sabes Maria? Do you know Maria? You would reply, you say, yes, I know her. See, you say. Llegar is to arrive. Whenever you are arriving somewhere, it means you have to use llegar. Creer is to think. Yo creo que tú hablas español muy bien. I think that you speak Spanish very good. Venir is to come. Pensar is to think. Yo pienso por ti. I am thinking about you. Sentir is to feel. Volver is to return. When you are returning from somewhere, or you are returning a book, you are returning something, you use volver. Dormir is to sleep. Yo duermo a las 11 de la noche. I sleep at 11 o'clock in the night. Conocer. When you know a person, you get acquainted with. You are acquainted with him or her, you use conocer. Yo conozco. Tú conoces. Tú conoces Maria. Sí, yo conozco. These are some important irregular verbs that we use in Spanish. Thank you so much and keep watching my video.